Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels, and this one's really cool. We got the 67 Chevy C10. From Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, number 4 out of 10. Very cool casting. Really liking it. So yeah, this is a very popular one for 2021, and this has a nice beautiful light blue color to it. Took me a while to find this one. I finally did in the shipper at Shaw's. I think this is my third one of these that I bought. The first one I bought had a bent axle when I looked in the packaging, so I'm probably going to return it since it's still on card. Second one I got is on a mint card. This one's not on too bad of a card, but this is my opener. GRY91 international card, since it's from a supermarket and not like a small dollar store where you get USA cards, or like Walmart or Target where you get USA cards. '67 Chevy C10, not Chevy T10. Beauty. Wow, look at that. Look at this truck, looks way better out of the packaging. Wheels spin well, I'll just give you an overview of it. Alright. Here's a nice look at our 1967 Chevy C10. Look at that. It's got the Goodyear symbol right on there, and it says Chevrolet right on the back, or Chevrolet, however you want to pronounce it, if you're French or English or whatever. But there's where it is. Dark blue and white and yellow striping on this one. You can see the Goodyear symbol right there. You can see the Hot Wheels logo. Got 5-spoke wheels. They're black with a chrome lip on them. Too cool. Wow. It's like a custom vehicle. Look at that. The old classic Chevy grill on that. And you can see the striping on it as well. Same on the other side. Chrome interior that stretches all the way to the bed. You can see that. Like some kind of like toolbox or something back there. Like, I don't know what it is. This old Chevy. Chrome bumper too. Wow. So yeah, that bumper connects to the interior, which connects all the way to the front grille. Cool casting. Plastic base. 2013 copyright. When the casting first came out. I'll put a picture on the first edition on screen right now. Here's your look at our 1967 Chevy C10. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stick around for more. Watch a few of my videos. Drop a like on this video. What do you want to see me unbox next?